Here is your lactation PSA of the day. Now, I know I have done this PSA before, but it needs to be said. If you are using a nipple shield, you do not want to just put that on like a Band-Aid, because your baby's going to be able to bite your gum, your nipple right through that shield. So it's very important that if you are using a nipple shield, your first step is to take your fingers and roll your nipple out so that it everts as much as it naturally can. You then want to take your shield and you want to flip it back like a cup, roll it or flip it so it makes a little cup. You want to get your nipple as deep in there as possible before you flip it on, so that your nipple goes as far into that shield as possible. Your nipple should be about 1/2 to 3/4 of the way to the tip of that shield before you attempt to latch baby. If your nipple is still only about 1/3 of the way, you might be using a nipple shield that is way too big for your nipple. They make all kinds of different shape and size and length nipple shields, and sometimes you have to go smaller than what you were given to get a better fit. So that is how you put a nipple shield on to make sure that baby is latching to your breast tissue and not nipple feeding. Now you know.